Mulberry tree, agrowplants.org. This is perennial disused trees used as ornamental plants, but they are very edible. Not a lot used for edible, depends the cultivar or the species. Flowers are insignificant, they are small and look the same as the fruits, but some variety are whipping, and this is quite of impressive. In the fruit color you can get red, white, purple, pink, or black. The major thing to know about the fruits is that they make a lot of dirt, so it's better not to plant the tree next to your house, a little bit further. And it requires male and female tree. Also, you can always plant the male tree outside of your garden and the female tree inside your garden. Or just both of them outside of the garden, there is fruit for everybody. So, the whipping also can arrive in white or black variety. Okay, so major requirement for this tree, as I said before, it's male and female tree. You can graft it on the same tree, and to add some water in the period of the fruits. It's quite of important in order to get more juicy. But if you live in an area with a lot of rain, not like here, so you need to be aware that the fruit will be a little bit tasteless if there is too much water. So drainage of the soil, it's very important in order to get all the water out, in order to get fruits that are sweet and lovely. Um, okay, so the best season to plant it will be in the early spring or in the end of the winter. You can start by a tree, graft a tree. It's the easiest thing to do, or to start by cuttings or seeds. Seeds are not hard, but you cannot guarantee that you will get a female or a male or whatever you need. So you always can graft on it, and it's super easy. Major pests are the silkworm that you can use even the yellowish part after they die. Of course, not don't kill these little animals for nothing. And this tree can grow from 3 to 20 meters, so it means um, 9 to 60 feet or something like this. It's a fast growing tree, a small amount of water. It's the best will grow in full sun. Blooming in the spring. It's very important that the fruit will be also in the spring, but in a cold climate can be also end of the spring, beginning of the summer, and the variety that named um, you will forgive me, but Pakistani mulberry or Afghanistan mulberry. If I'm not mistaken, this is Morus macrora or something like this. So they're huge fruits, and they bearing fruit from the spring to the summer. You just need to cut it all the time, and then you have another fruits. Okay, so what do you need to know about the pests? The pests, it's huge amount of pests. There is for everyone, but fruit fly, birds, they really make a lot of problems, and sometimes even bats arrive. You can do from the fruits to eat it raw, of course, jams, juice, and cakes. About how to harvest, I made another video that you should see. Uh, so it's something that I would highly recommend because there is so many ways to harvest and not to suffer so much. Okay, so major things that I would like to share with you about the fruits, and mostly I don't do it about the taste and flavors because there is so much argument about those kind of things. But the black variety mostly have more taste. You always need to taste before you buy. The white, it's a lot of time it's tasteless, but some variety are very sweet and unique flavors. So it's something that you should remember. You can graft a tree with more than one color of fruit, so you have a different kind of taste. All of the colors are attacked almost the same. There isn't major difference as much as I saw. Maybe the black is attack a little bit more. It's more attractive for a lot of animals. And my favorite will be anything because there is so much, but you need to choose a tree. So if you see a tree that you like, you don't have to grow it in your garden because it's make a lot of dirt. You can grow it outside of your garden, like I do it. So that's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course like this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate, just ask. I hope you enjoy.